Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani and in this series of videos I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So today's challenge is mutations. Here we will be given a string and we have to add a character at ith index. Okay, so we can do it by one or two approaches that they have already shown here. We are going to convert that string into a list and then assign the character to the particular position and return the string. Now we have here a string, position and character. So first convert our string into a list. So list string. Now we have the list of every character in that string. So I want character at the position index. Okay, so as of position is equals to character. Now I am going to join that string list and return that. So dot join in passing this list. Let's run our code and see what we get. Our sample test case 0 is successfully run, so let's submit our code. Both the test cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe to Gyaani and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. If you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.